FEMA. www.fema.gov. Our mission is helping people before, during, and after disasters. Our core values and goals help us achieve it. Apply for assistance. Visit the FEMA website to find the specific information you're looking for. Disasters and assistance. Grants, flood and maps, emergency management. Apply for assistance. Find assistance. Whether it's employment, financial, food, housing, legal, or medical. Describe your housing/living situation prior to the disaster. Follow the questionnaire and answer all the questions. Ready. www.ready.gov. Launched in February 2003, READY is a national public service campaign designed to educate and empower the American people to prepare for, respond to, and mitigate emergencies and disasters. The goal of the campaign is to promote preparedness through public involvement. READY and its Spanish-language version. Disasters and emergencies. Make a plan. READY communities. READY business. READY kids. Scroll selection. Assistance and information. Links will be provided in the description of this video. Remember, you are not alone. Have the information readily available. Please share this video with all your contacts, social media, Facebook, Clermont word of mouth, and next door. You never know who will be in need of the information. It could make a big difference in lives of others.